In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the favicon for your website using the Hostinger Website Builder. This process is quick and straightforward, and it will help give your website a more professional touch with a unique, recognizable icon. A favicon is that small icon that appears on the tab of your web browser when you visit a site. It's a small detail, but an important one, as it helps visitors quickly identify and differentiate your website from others with multiple tabs open. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Hostinger website builder and look to the left side of your screen. You should see a menu running down the left edge. Here, locate the three dots icon, which signifies additional options. This is where we need to start to gain access to the settings. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, you'll want to select General Settings. This takes you to the area where you can make various global adjustments to your site, such as adding or changing your favicon. Now that we're in the General Settings panel, look for the section specifically labeled Favicon. It's designed explicitly for uploading and managing the little icon that will represent your site in a web browser tab. To change or add this icon, you'll click on Add Image, or if you've set one previously and wish to change it, Replace Image. This action opens up a new window where you can select your desired favicon. You can upload a graphic directly from your media library if you've previously uploaded it to Hostinger. Alternatively, if the image is stored on your computer, you can upload it directly by following the instructions provided, allowing you to browse and select the file from your system. Remember, favicons are small in size, often 16 by 16 pixels, so choose an image that will be clear and recognizable even at a reduced scale. Once you've selected the image you want to use as your favicon, it's crucial to save the changes you've made, so go ahead and click that Save Changes button. This ensures that all your hard work won't be lost. But there's one more critical step to ensure those changes are reflected on your live site. To finalize everything and update your live website, publish or update your site. This action will propagate the changes, ensuring that the new favicon is visible to anyone visiting your website. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've added a customized touch to your website, making it stand out a little more in the vast digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore other features within Hostinger's website builder to further enhance your site.